quality on the Sony though. The quality on the Sony is
Alex, Ebbs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're joining me for the first time, welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. As you guys can see, with the smile on my face and of course with the title, I finally got myself the SONY ZVE10, and I'll be showing you guys what other things that it came with or other things that I bought with the camera, and I'm gonna try it out. As you can see right now, I record from my iPhone 14, so I'm tired of recording from my iPhone 14. I want to upgrade my quality, and that's one thing that I said I wanted to do this year. So let me go and show you guys how my camera is going to be and some of the things that came with the camera. So first and foremost, this is how the box looks like. This is how it came. I got the one that comes with the kit lens, and yes, the SONY ZVE10. I already opened. Actually, I was so excited. I opened, I charged my battery, and what else? That's all I did. And I only changed the language because... Alright, so sorry guys. One of the reasons why I want to stop recording on my phone, storage full. Okay, so basically there's really nothing much. There's nothing fancy. There's only these things in here. So yeah, so there's the wind muff or the dead cat. And of course it came with a cable and the battery. This is how the battery looks like, and actually I got an extra battery as well. And of course, moment of truth. Yes guys, so this is how my camera looks like, if you guys can see. So this is how it looks like. I love everything guys, I love everything. Yeah, so this is how the lens looks like. I don't know if it's a lens, a screen. So yeah, I'm gonna just put the battery inside. I already put the memory card, by the way. I already put the memory card. So I'm just gonna put the battery inside. Okay. All right, so and we're gonna put the dead cat as well. I'm so excited. I was thinking of doing a proper unboxing, but I think I'm just gonna post it on TikTok. So yeah, if you guys want to watch a full proper unboxing, you can watch my TikTok video. I'll link the TikTok account at the bottom. So yes guys, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so just gonna do picture test. I don't know if you guys can see. Damn. Wait guys, let me show you. Can you imagine? Look at this. I don't know if you guys can even see. Where am I supposed to tap? Here? I don't know. Here? I don't even know if you guys can see. But yeah, let me try again. Let me try again. I don't know. It's not coming up right. It's not coming up right. But yeah. So this is my new camera, and I'm excited guys. Of course, I got this as well, which is the Yolanzi tripod or selfie stick. So this is how it looks like. I will probably do, let me try to do a side by side and see, but in the meantime, let me first screw this and see. Damn, this thing is bumping into... yeah, so I guess I need to do this. Okay, so we're gonna do why do I look like this? Record. Guys, no, wait, I look so horrible. hold on. ISO. Damn, not like that. Relax, I don't even know what I'm clicking. Guys, I have zero idea on how to use a Sony camera, by the way. Zero idea. But yeah, so this is how it looks like on my thingy. I don't know how to do the settings, guys. I don't even know, because when it was in Japanese, I was clicking everything and I don't even remember what I was clicking. So I think I messed up some stuff, so I need to watch some. Damn, why do I look like that? Okay, so yeah, I look horrible, man. Damn. Oh, not bad, not bad. I just don't know what to fix. It looks dark on this side, so I will probably try to install. So yes, guys, so I have put my Sony right there, and this is my phone. I'm using an iPhone 14. So I'm gonna show you guys both of the images. I'm gonna try to put them side by side so you guys can see the quality. I actually haven't set any settings on my Sony. I need to learn more about it. I don't have an idea about it, but I'll learn more. So this is how the quality looks on the Sony, and this is how the quality looks on the what's this phone again? iPhone 14. Sorry, I keep on forgetting. Okay, and I feel like let's try to test the audio quality. And so this is the sound on my Sony ZVE10. I hope I'm very clear. I heard you need to get a mic, but yeah, so this is the sound on the Sony ZVE10, and this is the sound on my iPhone 14. So this iPhone is just like the first one, the base iPhone 14. So yes, guys, so this is just the test. Oh, let's try the product showcase. This is how I can be able to see on my phone, my iPhone 14, and this is the product test on the Sony ZVE10. Let's try to do, maybe let me try to come up close. So this is how my makeup looks, and my lens, of course, and this is how up close I look with my and I think my iPhone does a better job as well. But the quality on the Sony, though, the quality on the Sony is eating, guys. So yes, guys, so I think that's just right about it. So yes, I'm excited to do more with my Sony ZVE10. So yes, guys, so that's just it with my quality test and my audio test as well on both the cameras. If you want me to do more, you can let me know. But yes, so guys, so this is me with my Sony ZVE10. Who's that girl? So yes, guys, so that's it for my video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you in my next video. Toodles.
Look at my shit 'cause you know what I'm on. But when he